Welcome to the terrifying physics of black holes. Right now, a cosmic trapdoor is swallowing entire suns whole. And if you cross its border, time itself literally grinds to a permanent, agonizing halt. So what exactly is this space monster? Think of space as a fabric stretched tight. If you squeeze something absurdly heavy into a space too tiny, it punches a hole right through that fabric entirely. That is a black hole. If you crushed Earth down to the size of a marble, it would instantly become one. But here is where it gets weird. These monsters come in wildly different sizes. Some are smaller than an atom, yet heavy as a mountain. Others are true galactic titans, like the supermassive behemoth at the center of our Milky Way, 4 million times heavier than our sun, anchoring our entire cosmic neighborhood. So what happens if you get too close to the edge? If you drifted past the point of no return, your body would experience spaghettification. Because gravity pulls harder at your feet than your head, you get stretched out like a single piece of dough. But to a friend watching from Earth, you would appear to slow down and freeze at the edge forever. Because gravity warps time itself, you become a permanent ghost. And this is the part nobody talks about. What if our sun suddenly turned into a black hole? Earth wouldn't actually get sucked in. The total gravitational mass would stay identical, so our orbit wouldn't change. The real nightmare? The lights simply go out. Our atmosphere would freeze solid within days, turning Earth into a dead ice world. So how do we track something that actively devours light? We see the mess they make. As they swallow nearby stars, the dust gets whipped into a blazing, glowing whirlpool called an accretion disk. We cannot see the dark void, but we can see the glowing scream of matter right before it plunges into the dark. But theory suggests an even stranger anomaly might be hiding out there. White holes. If a black hole is a one-way door where nothing escapes, a white hole is the exact opposite. A fountain spitting out massive amounts of matter, with a boundary that absolutely nothing can ever enter. If the math proved black holes existed decades before we found them, we might be on the verge of discovering something even more chaotic. Space isn't an empty room. It is a volatile, shifting ocean. If you want to see exactly how these invisible monsters tear apart stars in real time, click on the video on your screen right now. Let us keep exploring.